A story that broke the hearts of parents across the viewing area is back in the news. Good evening, I'm Calvin Sneed.
And I'm Kim Chapman. The timeline leading to trial is set for Natasha Bates. She, of course, is the Bradley County mother accused of leaving her boys unattended in scorching heat this past summer. Both of them died. News Channel 9's John Madewell joined us back from court. John, what happens next?
Well, Kim and Calvin, the trial is set for August of next year. Deadlines were also put in place. And relatives say they understand the time required in the judicial process, but they still want answers. Natasha Bates stood and listened as the judge laid out dates leading to her double murder trial. She's accused of leaving her sons unattended last summer in scorching heat. Investigators suspect the boys got into a car. They could not survive the 103-degree heat that June day. Their mother found them unconscious in the front yard. 3-year-old River's body temperature was 109 degrees. Leland's was 103, even after he had been iced down. We learned today another 9 months will pass before Bates goes to trial. Paternal relatives say waiting is the hardest part.
It's hard to let go, you know, and with the longer it's drug out, the harder it is to understand.
It certainly is still a waiting game, but yes, it does help to have the dates set.
A time when they hope an explanation comes. In court, Bates' attorneys provided a glimpse of what may happen in her trial.
There's a real possibility we're going to be needing an expert witness, and we won't know that for just a bit, but it might take us some time to get more approval and also find a witness.
Judge Amy Reedy instructed everyone to stay on deadline.
Don't anticipate what you're going to find. You need to know what you're going to find.
And the boy's paternal grandmother hopes the trial sheds light on that deadly day.
You know, at some point, I hope she does just tell everything that happened, everybody that was involved. I hope everybody that had anything to do with it, you know, has the answer to it. She shouldn't, you know, have the whole thing on her shoulders, other than just the boys.
Now, Tasha Moses' side of the family declined to comment. Meanwhile, she remains in jail, charged with 2 counts of felony murder, 2 counts of aggravated child abuse, and 5 drug charges, and those came later in the investigation. Kim?
Well, John, now that the trial date has been set for August, what's next?
Well, discovery is due in March of next year. That's the evidence from each side. And another interesting side note came out this afternoon. Judge Reedy, she stopped short of issuing a gag order. As you know, this has been a highly publicized case, but she did caution the attorneys and everyone involved not to talk to the media.
That could be tough.
Yep.
All right, John, thank you very much. We appreciate it.